Hey man, hi Prithvi, how are you? You look like really, really different. Like what happened? Like don't tell me you're on the moon.
Yeah, dude, I am on the moon. And chill, dude, till you have the time to chill. Because I do look different for the simple fact that I am not Prithvi. I'm his son calling you from 2050.
Seriously, like is this real?
No, it is a dream. Of course, it's real. We can also call it a nightmare, though.
What nightmare kuch bhi, huh? Like seriously, dude, like I have so many questions. Like, okay, fine. If you're really from 2051, tell me for sure. I am in 2021 right now, as the pandemic ended.
Which pandemic exactly?
I mean the COVID-19 pandemic यार जो उसमें अभी है वो like खत्म होता है कि नहीं?
COVID 19 pandemic is history now. We have 3 4 new viruses every year now.
What are you
Don't
even
be so
saying?
surprised, man. It's all because of your actions.
कुछ भी बोल मत. I'm talking about this pandemic. Like how? What are you saying?
What could be due to your frivolous actions, the earth kept on warming, as you can see. This caused melting permafrost on the north and south poles of the earth. Permafrost पता है क्या होता है?
What are you saying, dude? I don't get you.
से पता होगा. You don't read books. That's the problem here. So basically, ancient carcasses kept on emerging, and with them also emerged the germs from illnesses long thought to be extinct.
Are you kidding me, dude? That's like you're like talking really dark stuff right now. Okay, I'm going to go to the Bahamas and I'm going to have a really good time. So stop screwing it up.
You're kidding me, right? Tropical beaches, Bahamas? You really got to be kidding me. Bahamas is no more on our map. People in the Bahamas had to leave it because the sea level rise.
What? Are you kidding me? Okay, is this some kind of a stupid made up story? Like, I'm sure we might have done some good things, right? Like, did we lower the rate of sea level rise or something? Like, I know, like, we might have stopped it from going to what, 2 3 inches.
Yeah, it's two
So, see, like, it's not that
feet,
bad. What?
2 feet per year. Thanks to you, now we have to measure the sea level rise in feet and not in inches. Most of the buildings are non existent
What? Why?
because most of the earth has either submerged or has an inhospitable environment. Take, for example, central India. Central India is now experiencing heat waves and the temperatures has reached 60 degrees Celsius.
I'm sure there must be something positives that we've done because we're doing a lot of actions right now. I mean, it's
Yeah,
not that bad.
the only positive thing is that you people are gone now.
I mean, look, okay, fine. We are now shifting to plant-based diets. We're trying to cut down on meat. We are using electric vehicles slowly and slowly, and some of us even have put solar plants. I mean, solar power plants.
Yeah, plant based diet. Why didn't we not think about it? I'll tell you why. It is good, but it is not fast enough. We are compulsorily on plant based diets because most of the animals are either threatened or extinct. And because large animal farms are difficult to maintain due to extreme temperatures, meat is too expensive and it is sometimes illegally traded too. The irony is we have lots of sea and yet hardly any fish.
Okay, so we do have something in common. That's funny.
Bro, we are just not working on sustainability anymore. We are working for survival now. So it's
Hmm,
not acceptable here too.
that's a good point. Yeah, I'll talk to some of the people in my times and tell them that we need to work hard to avoid a fate like yours. And also because I don't want this horrible conversation with you again.
I hope you succeed because your nightmare is our reality. And I'm getting really jealous that you are enjoying and wasting so many resources which we cannot even imagine.
But it's your fault. Like it's your fault that the ecosystems are destroyed,
Our
isn't
fault.
it?
Our fault. Can you explain
Yeah.
how?
I mean, of course, dude, like you are not competent enough to find some technological solution to this. So it's kind of your fault. Like, okay,
Oh, yeah, right. Technological solutions. Why didn't we look there? I'll tell you
exactly.
why. Because the damages done by you were, what do you call it? Irreversible. Would it be fair if I burn down your house? That it's all your fault because you did not have any technology to build bricks from the ashes that remain? We are doing what we can, bro, but there is precious little what we can do.
Okay, like I don't get what you're saying, but yeah, okay, we do care about your life and the future, and we are trying different things. Like like today we are celebrating Earth Day, so that's a start.
By the way, do you know why I arranged this Earth Day meeting? I wanted to know what you guys are up to this time. I read in history that scientists warned you of climate and ecological crisis since the 1970s.
Yeah, I mean we're celebrating Earth Day since 1970s only. Yeah, it's been like half a century. So this year the theme is restore the Earth.
Duh, it did not work. Our Earth Day theme in 2050 is Save the Humanity.
Why are things that bad? Like is Earth suffering?
More importantly, we are suffering.
But anyway, like more importantly, so you're saying that the Earth days are not saving the world at all?
I mean, they can save the world, but only if you use the understanding and messages of the Earth Day for the remaining 364 days. In fact, every time.